start with, draw a perpendicular line and A as the starting point. To locate point B, measure 7 inches using the standard hip depth measurement from point A going down. For skirt length, measure from point A going down using the skirt length, which is 22 inches length, and mark it as point C. Project a line going to the right side horizontally from point B to get the hip dimension, and do the same with point C. For point D, use the hip measurement. So in this case, we have 40 inches divided by 4 is equals to 10 inches, plus 0.5 is equals to 10.5 inches. Connect point D to the line perpendicular to point A. And mark point E. Extend the line going down from point D perpendicular to point C and mark point F. For point G, use the waist measurements. From point G, measure 5/8 of an inch going up and mark point H. Connect point H, G, and point D with a diagonal line. Get the mid measurement of point H and point D and mark it as point I. From point I, measure outward 1/2 of an inch and mark as point J. Connect point H, J, and D using hip curve. For point K, use the apex distance measurement, which is in this case we have 8 inches divided by 2 is equals to 4 inches. To measure for the dart length, extend the line 3.5 inch going down from point K and mark point L. From point K, measure 3/4 of an inch going to the right side and mark point M. Do the same going to the left side from point K and mark as point N. Connect point M to point L and point N to point L. That is the dart for the front draft of the skirt. From point A, measure 1/4 of an inch upward and mark as number 1. Connect point 1, K, and H with a diagonal line. So this is the front waistline of the skirt. We are now going to transfer the measurement, but before that, we will do this first. For the dart of back part, measure 1 inch going down from point L and mark as number 2. Connect point M to number 2 with a broken line and do the same with point N. Measure 1/2 of an inch from point A going down and mark as number 3. Connect number 3 and point H with a broken line. So now we are going to transfer the measurement from front to back to get the draft of the back part of the skirt. We will start from number or point 3 to H, down to point J, to point D, and point F, to point B, going down to point C to F. We will transfer the measurement using the pencil and other measuring tools. After transferring the measurements, mark it using the marking pen to make it clearer and visible to the eye. Label each point. And now, we are done with the back part of the skirt.